Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your shopping list on the Lidl application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should type in an item that you are looking for and you would like to add to your grocery list. So just simply tap on this search bar that you can see in the middle of the screen and type in the kind of product that you are looking for. Tap the button search, and as you can see there are 4 results. So if you're interested in any of these or you want to purchase any of these, just tap on the relevant item and then click on the heart icon. So now it has been added to your shopping list. So if you tap on the heart icon down below, you can see that there are 2 items on your shopping list. You can remove any of these items by scrolling to the left side of the screen, thereby removing it from your list. So now your list is empty. You can add new entries into it or to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.